So you're gonna go and find yourself. You say that you're becoming someone else. Don't recognize a face in the mirror looking back at you.
You say you're leaving as you look away. I know there's really nothing left to say. Just know I'm here whenever you need me. I will wait for you.
So I let you go, I'll set you free. And when you see what you need to see, when you find you, come back to me.
Take your time, I won't go anywhere. Picture you with the wind in your hair.
I'll keep your things right where you left them. I'll be here for you. Oh, and I'll let you go, I'll set you free. And when you see what you need to see, when you find you, come back to me.
And I hope you find everything that you need. I'll be right here, waiting to see. You'll find you. Come back to me.
And I can't get close if you're not there. I can't get inside if there's no soul to bear. I can't fix you, I can't save you. It's something you have to do. So I'll let you go, I'll set you free. And when you see what you need to see, when you find you, come back to me. Come back to me.
So I let you go, I'll set you free. And when you see what you need to see, when you find you, come back to me.
And I hope you find everything that you need. I'll be right here, waiting to see. You'll find you, come back to me.
When you find you, come back to me.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jericho, Salas, and Christine Hermosa. Grabe! Bagay na bagay sa inyo yung kanta. Sobra. Come back to me. When you find you, come back to me. I love
Hanapin mo
it.
yung sarili mo.
Tin, hanapin mo na yung sarili mo, Tin.
Yes.
Pag nahanap mo na yung sarili mo, nandito lang kami.
Ayun lang.
Wow.
Kami.
Ay, ako pala.
Kami. Ang dami niyo naman.
Thank you so much kasi talagang
Thank you.
pinasaya nyo kaming lahat dahil may isang ikaw. Maraming salamat.
Unang-una ho, magandang hapon ho sa inyong lahat. And Happy New Year!
Happy New Year nga
Oo,
naman.
Happy New Year!
So ito na ang huling linggo ng Dahil May Isang
Yes.
Ikaw. Ano bang dapat naming abangan?
Abangan mo na. Sabihin mo na, Echo.
Una sa lahat, papasalamat kami sa lahat ng sumuporta
Yes.
sa amin, sa show namin, sa mga cast namin. Thank you.
Staff and
Abangan niyo yung itong huling episodes namin kasi talagang maraming revelasyon at magagandang episodes
Sobrang ganda ng mga eksena nyo last night. Yung parang nahihirapan ka magsalita, diba? Winner, super. Oo! Hindi ako fan. Pasensya, hindi ako fan.
Oo, na-inspire kasi ako ni Mr. M dun sa character ko eh. Favorite niya yan eh. Si Jempot. Anyway, maraming salamat. Kung sa mga hindi nakapanood, may DVDs kami.
Apo.
Yung Dahil May Isang Ikaw. Ready na po yung DVDs.
Iniintay na po kayo.
Hindi pa man din tapos yung show. 10 volumes po yan. Hinati sa 10. Makukuha nyo na po yan sa mga record stores. So,
Yes.
I think abscbn.com pwede
Alright.
nyo check yan. Oh. So, yun.
Wow! Yes, para sa ating mga TFC subscribers, I'm sure kukuha sila niya.
Thank you
Sana
po
po,
sa mga
sana
TFC
po.
subscribers. Thank you
And
so
of course,
much.
Christine, you want to thank a few people?
Oo nga eh.
Oo,
Ay,
ang...
ikaw, Echo. Ayaw mo.
Ako,
Sige.
but-
I wanna say thank you to Cinderella Ace Cultura, CMX Cosmetics, Chic Nails, Spa, and thank you also to Dr. Johnny Tan. Nasa Batangas po ako, City, ng January 15, Batangas City Coliseum. Thank you po sa ABC President Vilma de Macuja, January 19, Tarlac, and Feb 11, Iriga City.
Yes,
There.
wow! And of
Exact.
course, si Echo naman.
May nagpapabati kasi sa akin, hi to Direct Reggie, Direct Jerry,
Hi, Direk.
sila Mark, sila Julius, sila PM,
Enjoy
sila
taping.
Crystal, Ana, PM. Sa lahat ng staff namin and crew dyan, pati mga lighting directors namin, thank you very much. On January 22 po, meron po akong Robinson's Malls na
Na series of shows ka.
Okay, January 22, nasa Robinson's Novaliches. January 23, Robinson's San Fernando, Pampanga. February 5, Robinson's Metro East. February 6, Robinson's Galleria. Nandyan po
At
ako
nasa
para...
Facebook ka rin.
Nasa Facebook. Nandyan po ako para i-promote yung album kong Change, yung career single po na Pusong Ligaw, naririnig nyo yun. Thank you. Nasa Facebook din po
I
ako.
love Pusong Ligaw!
Thank you.
I love
Thank
Pusong
you very
Ligaw.
much. Jericho Rosales, ano ba yun?
Pusong Ligaw?
No, official page.
Facebook.
Sa Facebook.
Yes.
Sa Facebook, official page. So
And of
thank
course,
you.
you can visit www.starrecords.ph.
Yes, so thank you very much.
Add me, sa
naku,
Facebook.
Tin, pupunta po kami ni Christine sa Malaysia
Yeah.
para mag-promote ng
Oh,
ano.
wow, talaga!
Finally, magkakasama kaming dalawa sa Malaysia.
Si Kuya Gabi.
Naku, ang mga Ekotin,
talaga?
matutuwa mga
Ayaw talaga ni-
Ekotin.
ayaw talaga ni Tintin.
Oy.
Kuya Gabi ang pupunta
Oo,
doon at
wala
si
eh.
Jericho.
Sorry na lang, Ecotiners. Ayaw na ni Tintin.
Ay,
Anyway,
hindi pa sure. Aayusin daw ni
Oo.
Kuya Alan.
aayos na ni Kuya Alan
Oo.
sa...
Pag hindi pa ako makapunta, si Kuya Alan ang pupunta.
Oh my God! Okay!
Tsaka yung mga taga New Zealand, lahat ng mga Samoans sa balitaan ko, kilala daw tayo doon.
Ay, talaga?
Mukha daw tayo,
Wow.
mukha daw tayong
Hello,
baka.
everyone.
Wow.
Sabi ko naman.
Thank you so much again.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Huling linggo ng Dahil May Isang Ikaw, tututukan nating lahat yan. Thank you so much. It's so good to have you guys here. Thank you so much. I will see you sa E-Live.
Okay,
Diba?
yeah.
Alright. Up next, Cash Matosa. Pagbabalik ng Wawawi!